Okay, well, what we're going to do is we call this the button buddy. Now we're actually going to show you it being used attached to the actual drive itself. You can see we've got a handle in its lock state. So we come from around there, the back and the front of the door it would do. Looks like these lovely lights for the cameras and everything we got today. We got a bit of glare. And push it up and pull, and then let the handle come down. Push up, and there we go, off, which leaves the actual handle in the state now for you to retract the handle as normal.